I'm going to work with dead symbols in this tutorial, and I have to set we have here watt size, minimum watt step, spread, swaps, long and short, commission slippage, and all these settings. These settings must correspond to what we have in the broker. So how to do that? One way is to go in MetaTrader and to right click here in the Market Watch and select the symbols. And here in that window, this is selected Euro USD, and click Properties. And here I see some of the settings, but not all. What we have here, the spread is set 0, because the spread here is dynamic, it's not fixed. We have 5 digits. We have to set these parameters to Forex Strategy Builder, and I'll go to Forex Strategy Builder. I have to be sure that we have the correct data source selected, Active Real, Euro USD. Let's make like that. Okay, and we have 5 digits here, 5 digits. Lot size, this in MetaTrader is contract size, is 100,000. Here we have 10,000. Let's make it 100. Minimum watts, and watt step is not shown here. I'll show in a moment another way how to import data. The spread. I don't know how much is the spread. Let's see. 10, 19. It's about 8 and 9 points. Let's make it okay. 20 is okay. When we make a backtest, when we're developing a strategy, it's better to use a higher spread, because the spread is variable. Sometimes it will be lower than that, but sometimes can be higher, and also with that spread we can compensate some slippage. Here we can set a swap for long and for short positions. We have a long swap minus 0.8. Okay, and excuse me for a moment. So the short swap is plus 0.4. It's here 0.4 plus. What means minus and plus sign? When we have a negative swap, we pay interest to the broker. So we are using these points at every rollover when we transfer a position overnight. But when the number is positive, we gain these points. We don't have commissions, and I will not set slippage. So we can make the same for other symbols, but I'll show you a faster way how to do that. I will use the trader mode in Forex Strategy Builder. We are not going to trade, but I will use that connection to import data. So how that works? We have many tutorials and videos how the trader works. First, we have a bridge here. I'll start that bridge in these 4 charts. When you start the bridge, what you have our DOL import. This must be on, because the bridge uses DOL. And I set here a unique connection ID. Let's use 10 here. But let's go to Tools, Options, Experts. Where is that? Expert Advisor. And I'll select that one and allow DOL imports. Okay. Now when I start the bridge here, DOL imports will be switched on by default. I'll set here 20. Here I'll set 30.